Fundy Designer is an incredible solution for us in our business because it really is a complete package from A to Z.
So I think my favorite feature has to be the slideshow, right? It just sets the tone right from the beginning. The clients watch it, they're listening to the music, they get emotionally attached, and it's really great just watching them really see the photos, and they're just in awe.
Yeah, they get really emotional, which is really fun. And my favorite part is actually setting music to their slides and finding a way to find a music that fits their personality and then tying that all in together, because music really does, it's the soundtrack of our lives. And so it's the soundtrack to these slideshows. And yeah, the client just really can't help but fall in love once the music comes into play and they get to watch the slideshow. And it creates a great sales tool, whereas at the end of the shoot, once they made their purchase and everything else, we can say, hey, if you love that slideshow we created for you, we can actually make that available to you for purchase as well. And it's a great add-on for that.